In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Microsoft Teams version. If you ever need to confirm which version of Teams you're using, this is a quick and simple process. Knowing your version can be helpful when you're troubleshooting an issue, checking whether a feature should be available, or making sure your app is up to date. The good news is that you can find this information directly inside the Microsoft Teams app in just a few clicks. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can see the main Teams window. You'll want to be on the standard home area of the application where the top bar and your profile area are visible. Once you're in the app, look toward the top right corner of the Teams window. Next to your avatar or profile picture, you'll see the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu, and it gives you access to several settings and informational sections inside Teams. Go ahead and click those three dots. After that menu opens, look for the About Teams option on the left side panel. Click on About Teams to continue. This section is where Microsoft Teams shows useful details about the application itself, including the version information you're looking for. As soon as you open that area, you'll see the version listed at the very top. That number is your current Microsoft Teams version. If you need it for support, documentation, or comparison purposes, this is the exact information you'll want to note down. A helpful tip here is to read the version carefully, especially if you're comparing it with another device or with a version number provided by your IT team or a support article. Even a small difference in the version number can matter when you're trying to verify updates or solve a problem. And that's all there is to it. Open Microsoft Teams, click the three dots beside your avatar in the top right corner. Select About Teams from the left panel and then check the version shown at the top. It only takes a moment, and it's a useful thing to know whenever you need more technical details about your Teams app. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to check your Microsoft Teams version.